Okay, here I am under the 2010 Camaro with the drive shaft shop, 9-inch rear. There's the carbon fiber drive shaft. I've checked, everything is tight. See if I can get this in focus. All the bolts are tight. The noise is definitely not coming from anything loose. Everything's torqued to appropriate specifications. And here's the noise. So you can see there's a little play in the drive shaft before the gears actually catch in the rear. Kind of hard to tell because you can't actually feel it, but I can. So this wiggle here is sort of between stops, I guess. And then if I do it hard, that's sort of the noise that I hear inside when launching from my other video.